Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and we are going to be talking about a funnel builder. If you're here for this video, you're here to look at a new funnel builder, maybe that you're doing a bit of research for. I'm going to be sharing with you what I personally use with my affiliate marketing business and why I recommend it so much on my channel. So guys, let me hop onto my computer and share with you a little bit more. Awesome. So here I am. And before I get into all the details of the funnel builder itself, guys, welcome to the channel. As I said before, my name is David Pinto. And on this channel, we speak about tips that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true, specifically in relation to affiliate marketing. Why do I talk about that? Well, basically, guys, I have a full-time job and I'm doing affiliate marketing on the side and it's working for me. And therefore, I want to document my journey on this channel, share with you guys some tips and strategies which I have. Plus, in case you need any support or help, obviously I have a link in the description, which is basically to the entire course that I have explaining the strategy that you can see on screen at the moment. This strategy has helped me in 2023 specifically, and also in 2024, but 2023 specifically because I spent a lot of time having my successes and failures with affiliate marketing, and this strategy in the end is what I followed, really just using part-time basis, 30 minutes to an hour a day and just focusing on it to be able to not supplement my income yet, but at the same time continuously get consistent and reliable results with it. Now, that does not mean that I can guarantee you or anybody success with affiliate marketing. I have to say this. You do need to put in the work. You do need to put in the effort. This is not a, get rich quick or, fly by night kind of deal. You are learning skill sets at the end of the day. And in fact, with affiliate marketing, I believe there are two primary skill sets that are important. One is advertising, and the second one is copywriting. These are the two ones that I'm personally practicing and improving. And in order for me to get better with my results, the aim is to focus on the conversion rate of these two skill sets. So how do you get better in advertising? How do you get better in your copywriting? But at the end of the day, what tool do I use in order for me to spend less time doing it and automate a lot of the processes? That's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So this entire strategy, as you can see, is just 2 steps. By the way, before I get into it, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you like what you're seeing so far, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because I post 3 videos every single week. On a Monday, I talk about step 1 specifically. And on a Wednesday and Friday, I talk about step 2, which is also the nerdier side on Wednesday, which is the video that you're watching today, on the tools and everything that I use to automate it. And then on a Friday, I talk about the strategy specifically. So if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Step 1, as I mentioned, is related to cash flow. I talk about it on Mondays, but just to give you guys an idea, I want to spend less time in going and advertising and looking for the leads or people to advertise to. So therefore, I opted into a low income traffic source, which you can also find in the description, which is called My Legion Secrets, that helps me promote offers, affiliate offers, which I own, which I purchase, which I use, and that generates sales for me. And then I utilize those sales in order for me to then use paid advertising. I do not use free advertising. As I said in the beginning of this video, I use YouTube and on Facebook and everything else to just document my journey. My main sales come from my paid advertising. That's pretty much how I do it, to spend less time online and actually keep everything moving. The problem with that is that many times people spend a lot of money on paid advertising and they don't get the results that they need. So that's why I put into step 1 specifically this section right here, because it creates a cash flow that you can then invest that cash flow into paid advertising, so you're not going out of pocket. That's the entire strategy that I have. Step 2 focuses on building that asset, building that whole sales process, the automation behind it. So how do you build a landing page? How do you build a bridge page? Can you work with sales pages? All these kind of things are related to specifically copywriting at the end of the day. So as you can see, I'm trying to give you guys a realistic idea of affiliate marketing, which is these two skill sets. If you're not learning these skill sets and not improving these skill sets, unfortunately, it does get very lonely and get very difficult to be able to actually implement affiliate marketing in your entire income stream. In today's day and age, we do need a different income stream, not just depend on our jobs. So this is something that can substitute it, but also can just give you a little bit of a freedom in a way to do it. So that's why I personally am focusing on it. So this is the entire strategy. If you want to learn more about this entire strategy, how I follow it, how I do everything, there is a course that I have in the description that I have. It should be the first link in the description that I have. which is basically teaching you this entire strategy. Okay, so I go through it in detail. Plus, I have my Facebook group within that course that you get access to in case you need any, one-on-one help or support, and the community is there for us to communicate, to discuss and see how to help you get the best results that you can. Let's get into actually the tool that I use. So within this whole entire process, let me go back to the slide, sorry. Within this entire whole process, guys, I'm using a landing page and I'm building a funnel that basically does the selling and telling for me when I'm asleep, when I'm away, with my course and everything else. So I built my course with this tool. I've used this tool thoroughly in so many aspects, and it's all for free. So if you want this tool, you can find it in the description. And in fact, let me go to it. It's called System.io is the tool that I personally use. It's an all-in-one tool. So if anybody asks me what I'm using for email marketing, this is the tool that I'm using for email marketing. But what am I doing for funnel building? How do I build this entire process? I speak about it in the course, but just to let you know, I use this tool. And in fact, by the way, as a bonus in the course, you're also going to get a free funnel in case you want to do it. Now, what is System.io? Is it applicable to you if you're a newbie or if you're an intermediate marketer or even an advanced marketer? They are the place to be. Why am I saying that? Because in terms of the entire whole tool, how they function, how this software works, is in par with all the top tools out there. So you would spend, let's say I was spending with the previous tool that I was using, which is a very famous one. You guys must be knowing it for sure, and it's a really good tool, but it costs quite a bit. So right now, if I'm not mistaken, it costs around $147 per month to just keep and maintain. And if you have $147 per month, plus you have an autoresponder, which is doing your email marketing for you, it can be a costly affair. Therefore, I got started with System.io last year and I started to build out my funnel and everything else with it. And trust me, I've had a phenomenal experience with them. And the way the funnel builder is, and in my opinion, is one of the best free funnel builders out there for affiliate marketing. Yes, you have other options for free tools like Leads Leap, for example, which can get a bit complicated. I'm not saying that they're not good. I'm just saying that they can get a little bit complicated. This has a drag and drop software, which is a funnel builder. So let me just go ahead and sign in and show you guys how it is. You can see the leads that I'm getting. I'm generating pretty much every day leads and also sales within for my course specifically. It goes up and down. I'm not really doing any promotions for this course, so it's all organic the way it's growing. But I have two funnels that I set up. So with this free tool, you can actually set up a lot of things. Let me just go ahead and show you. If I go to the upgrade option, you'll see right here, I'm on the free plan right now, and I can have up to 15 sales steps. So I've maxed out on that because I have a free funnel that I'm giving you guys and I'm sharing that with you. But you can also have 3 sales funnels basically in the whole process. So why is this a good funnel builder? You can have a campaign, everything else. So you don't need a separate tool. You don't need anything else but System.io actually to function and start your business. And I think that's a brilliant cost, and that what they're giving you guys is what they're giving us specifically for free. So I have 2 funnels and I'm just going to show you. It's very easy to set up a funnel. If I just go back to funnels right here and show you, just literally create, and you can build an audience. You can have a product if you want, a product or service, and then other options right here. So these, and you can add your own domain as well. I have another domain, as you can see right here, which can be your primary offer that you have. Now, if I go into my funnel, let me just go into my funnel and show you. I would like to show you the thank you page so that you can see how it is. Okay, so let's just see how this funnel builder is. So the thank you page is a clear example, and I wanted to show you the thank you page because it has a lot of the elements that I've tried to put into my copywriting and also my whole sales process within the thank you page. So first and foremost, it's a drag and drop editor. So you can literally drag the text, drag a headline, bullet points if you want. If you want to have a quiz funnel, a lot of people are using this to create a quiz. So let's say you have 3 or 4 options, right? Let's say you have 3 or 4 3 or 4 options that you need to have within your offers. You have 3 or 4 offers and you want different landing pages to go to. You can have one single opt-in page with a quiz, and as people, or a survey, and as people click on certain options, they get redirected to different offers or different pages that you want. This is something that you can implement in your business, which is a great tool to have when it comes to, and it's pretty advanced. It's a pretty advanced strategy, but it's a very nice tool to have, in my opinion, with a free funnel builder. But yes, it's a drag and drop software, so it's pretty easy to manage if you want to add anything. So in this case, for example, here I added a video just to give you guys an idea if I want to add a video. And then here you can either, if you click on the option right here, you can either add direct link, custom embed, or you can upload your own file as well. So these are the few things that are needed. Let me just delete this item because I don't need it. But just to show you like how it works. And then they have different sections. So you can see right here on the top left hand corner of the screen, you have they function like a drip model. So if you have a section, so this is the entire section that's there. And then if I click over here, it goes to row. So this is the row. And then you can go to text. So you can go backwards and try to edit everything that you need to. You can have it in blocks. It's pretty easy. But as you can see, I have my video, which is just a short video on the product that they have. And if they're interested in the product, they can get it here. Show me the offer for the full course, and they can get it here. And then if you go down, you can see that I put some proof. So you can put your testimonials and so on and so forth. You can even put a countdown. So these are different options that are available. You can have other options right here and put a countdown, a menu, raw HTML. This is if you are building something as an advanced marketer, building something in HTML, and you want to put the code here so that it's clear. You can put the code here, and then you can have the FAQ section as well. So it's very advanced in my opinion. As I said before, can you see this survey option is here? So you can have a survey as well as a whole thing. Now, the other cool feature about the funnel builder with System.io is the blocks that they have right here. So you can imagine if you want to save these blocks. So you can see that I personally, when I was building my course, I actually saved some blocks, which I then edited once basically on one page and just saved them here. And then I reutilize them on different pages. So it saves you a lot of time if you want to save your own blocks, but they also have other blocks. So if you want for opt-in forms, you can get some predetermined blocks that are available. So in case you start a blank canvas, let's say with the funnel builder, and you can then start to use these blocks right here. If you want features, you can add these sections right here. If you want, team presentations, for example, in your blog or your website that you're building, you can use it to build a website as well. So you have these block options, which are quite cool to have. Testimonials, this is another thing that I will be using in the future. Once I have more written testimonials, I will be adding them on my sales page and so on and so forth. So these are sections that are very useful to have because they save you a lot of time in building your elements and building your pages itself. So this is one of the features, obviously, with elements that they have, and then you have the blocks. The other cool thing is that they have pop-ups. If you want to add a pop-up, you can always add a pop-up. Now, this is a subscribe option pop-up, but I can change it to anything that I would like and edit my pop-up if I need it. Right now I don't need it, so I'm going to delete this again because again I don't want the pop-up. So let's just go ahead and go pop-ups and delete because I don't want it, but that option as well that you can have right here. So it's quite advanced as a funnel builder itself, and it's all free to use. And this is one of the reasons why I personally am letting you guys know about it. I've built a very thorough page and multiple sales page, order forms, all within just this one tool. As I said, I have the most amount of pages that I built already, steps that I built already. It just makes life much easier because I can utilize these pages within my email series, and it's all linked within System.io itself. The other good thing is that if you are planning to get a paid plan, I would suggest to go for the annual plans because as you can see, with less than $1,000, you can get the upgraded plan, which everything is unlimited. Otherwise, I would suggest to start with the startup plan just specifically because it does make sense. It has a lot of things in terms of automations that make sense for you with your affiliate marketing. For example, you can have 10 A/B tests, so which is very important as an affiliate marketer to always keep testing which was working best so that you can improve your conversions. Remember when I said at the beginning of this video that advertising and copywriting are important? So in case you make any changes or when you make any changes to your copywriting, you have 10 A/B tests that you can do for different pages, and that will allow you to optimize your sales process to convert not maybe 1 to 5%, but maybe 10%. So you reach to a 10% to a 15% on the sales step, not with the emails, but just with the sales step. You can increase those conversions. So that's what I wanted to cover today. Just share with you that it is an optimal funnel builder, how I would use it if I was a newbie just getting started with affiliate marketing. This is how I would use it. I would basically have traffic or advertising with social media, whatever it is, but build my sales funnel, which can be just a simple two-step funnel, which is a landing page and a thank you page. And in fact, that's what I'm giving you guys here with the two-step free funnel. You're getting a landing page and a thank you page. That's it. These are just bonus pages that you can use if you want. But the main thing is these two right here, a landing page and a thank you page. Why am I saying that it's you need only those two? Because at the end of the day, you're sending it to an offer that you own. Okay, you're sending it to an affiliate offer. But what you want in the process is to build a funnel that converts quickly and easily, first and foremost. And this allows you to do that very simply. And at the same time, you can have your own emails also updated all within system.io itself. I have a campaign which has right now 49 emails. I will be adding some more. It will be growing. So this is something that is actively present in my business. And as I said, if you want to get started with system.io, you can find the link in the description below. If you have any questions about it, feel free to ask those questions also below, because I will be doing more videos on system.io in the future and showing you guys how powerful this tool is. Sometimes I don't think that people realize the amount of free value that you're getting with this tool. Like the product itself is so powerful in the free plan, but even in the paid plans. And when I go to the paid plan, I will show you also what has improved for me in order for you to also go through that step. For a year, I use just a free plan. So imagine if you're just getting started and you want to test things out and you don't want to have that cost, System.io can be an option for you. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna hop on the next video, which is next on Friday. You're going to see the entire strategy. But in the meantime, if you want to have any more information on this tool, I'll leave a playlist in the description, which is allsystem.io. And I've done trainings in the past as well. So you'll get that in the description. Have a great day. Keep paving your way for your dreams to come true. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video.